And today's special is for those times when you are trying to make a decision and fear is interfering in your ability to make decision. And so I call this technique opportunity cost. And if you are able to apply that concept, it would be easier for you to engage your wise mind, and you'll be able to make a better decision that you feel content about. Would you like to learn that? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Welcome to Happy and Healthy Mind. If this is the first time you're joining us, my name is Dr. Rosina. I specialize in treatment of stress, anxiety, and depression. Over the last 20 years, I have been serving as medical doctor specializing in psychiatry, a best-selling author, and a transformative speaker. I believe that a lot of suffering could be prevented by simple mind training. Therefore, I started this program where we share practical tips for your mental fitness so you don't have to suffer unnecessarily. The purpose of this program is educational, and therefore, I would recommend to consult your healthcare professional for any treatment advice. Our mission is to bring health and happiness to more than 1 million people. So if you find value, please share, like, and subscribe so more people could live happier and healthier life. Now, opportunity cost is a concept in economics where, let's say, if you have $100, okay, you have an option of buying, set of groceries, or you have an option of buying a really nice dress or some other thing that you wanted to buy. So let's use the example of buying the dress versus the groceries. So if you buy the dress with that $100, your dress is not only costing you just that $100, it is also costing you the opportunity to buy those groceries, right? So that is called opportunity cost. So whenever you are choosing one or the other choices, when you are faced with a decision, it's not only costing you what you're putting in, but it is also costing you the opportunity of the other option. So whenever you are faced with a decision, let's say a lot of people right now are facing the decision, do they want to get the vaccine, COVID vaccine or not? Well, they've heard, oh, okay, so people get tired, people get flu-like symptoms, which I am doing right now. I had my vaccine yesterday and I have been pretty sick for a day, almost a second day now. And so you hear about that, okay, there would be some side effect from the vaccine. And so a lot of people are scared. So now you have a choice to get the vaccine or not to get the vaccine, right? So if you take the vaccine, you have the risk of having the side effect, but you also have benefit of protection from the COVID. So you have to see if the benefit is more than the side effect, then you want to choose option. And if the side effect is more than the benefit, then you don't. So although there is side effect of feeling sick for a day or two, it is much better than getting COVID itself or dying from COVID, right? And so for me, the decision was easy to decide, okay, well, yes, I think there's going to be complication, but the complication compared to actually having COVID is much better choice, so lesser of an evil. When you have two options, think about many times people get afraid that they're going to have negative side effect or they're going to fail in whatever choice they are making. And a lot of times when you are making the choice based on the fear, your mind is totally focused on what if I fail. Let's see, if you ask the question, what if I succeed? Because there's an equal chance, right? So next time when you are afraid of making a decision, think about opportunity cost. Okay, because if you are not taking that choice, it is costing you the opportunity of doing something. So in your situation, if you would not have taken this bold step, it would have costed the opportunity of living this happy life, right? You want to see the benefit and risk. If the benefit is more than the risk, and then ask yourself this question: what if you succeed? So on that note, stay happy and healthy, and see you next time.